Welcome to careerlink.ai. In this video, we are solving a common problem, turning ideas into real products without getting stuck in long, slow coding cycles. Today's use case is accelerating software development, vibe coding with generative AI using tools that can create UI, flows, and front-end code in minutes. To do this, we will use the AI tool Figma Make. Why this matters? AI shrinks coding work from weeks to hours, lets anyone build with prompts instead of deep code, helps you learn faster by explaining concepts as you go, and keeps you relevant by combining coding skills with AI in an evolving job market. AI is redefining how we build software. From generating and explaining code to accelerating rapid prototyping, it empowers developers and product teams to move faster. With tools like Figma Make, instead of starting from a blank editor, you simply describe what you want to build, and AI turns it into real working products, designed, built, and iterated directly from natural language. The Figma Make landing page looks like this, and you can start directly from a prompt. We are going to try out a couple of prompts. Most of us, even in our family or neighborhood, do not have a personal branding website. We usually just have a CV or resume, but almost none of us have a personal portfolio website about who we are. In this digital era, a personal portfolio is one of the most crucial things. If you do not have one, you are already a bit behind in the game. But the problem is, most of us do not know how to code. Instead, you can paste a prompt into Figma Make and it will then generate a full layout in around 2 to 3 minutes. So let us go to Figma Make and try the first prompt. This time, instead of a general portfolio, we will create one for a dentist. Suppose you are a dentist who wants to show, I am a professional dentist, you should come to my dental clinic. But you do not have a website. To build that personal branding, you can use tools like this. After you paste the prompt, Figma Make generates a personal portfolio layout with a dummy name. It lists your specializations, background, education, credentials, certifications, and memberships, and adds a contact section so people can reach you directly from the website. This means you can create a polished personal portfolio website without writing any code. Now, on to the next part. Creating a landing page for a small business. Instead of a guitar shop, let us use a more relatable example, a donut and bakery business. In Figma Make, you can prompt, create a landing page for a donut and bakery business called Doughnut Co., and let the AI generate the page. Within a few minutes, Figma Make produces a full landing page with donut visuals, your offers, menu, reasons to choose your bakery, and pricing for different donuts. This is especially powerful for small-scale business owners and early-stage entrepreneurs because the tool can create these websites in minutes without needing to hire a full-time developer or agency just to get started. Visit careerlink.ai to explore a list of powerful AI tools curated to your needs. Dive into our live circles for a deeper AI learning experience where you can deepen your knowledge and skills. And don't forget to check out the Prompt Library, a collection of carefully selected prompt books to guide your learning journey. So what are you waiting for? Start mastering AI today. And subscribe to our channel for more content like these.